Linux has long been the operating system of choice for both amateur and professional computer users equally due to its open-source nature, adaptability, and highly effective command-line interface. Learning how to navigate Linux's directory structure in order to quickly discover files and directories is one of the key skills that must be mastered in order to become proficient with Linux. This book is intended to provide users of all experience levels with the knowledge and tools necessary to locate directories in a Linux environment effectively. Its target audience includes both novices and seasoned professionals. Taking the mysteries out of the directory structure. Root directory and beyond. The root directory, which is represented by the / character, is at the center of every Linux operating system. This directory serves as the foundation for the entire file system, as it is at the top of the directory tree that all other directories and files are organized. Important directory sites. It is absolutely necessary to have a solid understanding of important directory sites. bin is where vital binaries are kept, etc. is where configuration files are kept, home is where user-specific folders are kept, and var is where data that is subject to change, such as logs and cache files, is managed. Putting one's command line expertise to use in order to explore directories. The dependable ls command reveals the contents of a directory. The command can be used to unveil a directory. You can acquire an understanding of the contents of the directory, including its subdirectories, by typing ls followed by the directory's path. Find is a command that allows you to search for and locate items. It is a very flexible tool that can locate directories depending on a number of different parameters. For example, the command find type dname directory _name searches the entire computer for directories with the same name as the one that was provided. Using the cd command to promote dynamic navigation. Using the cd command helps to promote dynamic navigation. Your current location can be changed with a simple cd command to the directory of your choice, allowing you to navigate within that directory. Exploration of directories made efficient with the help of graphical aids. Utilizing file managers. The majority of Linux distributions provide graphical file managers, such as Nautilus, GNOME, or Dolphin, KDE, which can be used to organize and manage files. These straightforward interfaces offer a straightforward foundation for visually exploring and locating directories, making them user-friendly. Graphical terminal emulators. Hybrid interfaces like Terminator and Tilix combine the effectiveness of the command line with the convenience of a graphical user interface. Terminator and Tilix are examples of such hybrid interfaces. These terminal emulators make it possible to navigate and manage directories without any hiccups. Searches made more efficient using wildcards. Wildcard character for general searches indicated by an asterisk. Any string of characters can be represented by using the asterisk wildcard character. For example, the command *ls home user.txt ** displays all of the files with the .txt extension that are located in the user's home directory. Wildcard for specific matches denoted by the question mark. The wildcard represented by the question mark is a single character. If you use it, the command ls/etc/?????.com will compile all of the conference files in the directory, etc., with names consisting of exactly 4 characters. Enhancing your capabilities to navigate the Linux directory structure. Learning how to find folders in Linux and becoming an expert at doing so is the key to unlocking the system's core functionality. You will acquire a toolkit that enables you to navigate directories with more ease. This toolkit will include core commands such as ls and cd, as well as the diversity of the find command. In addition to the tools available via the command line, graphical aids and techniques involving wildcard searches give additional ways to investigate your Linux file system. You now have the expertise to navigate the complex directory structure of Linux with ease thanks to the availability of this all-encompassing guide. Your ability to quickly discover directories will increase your overall experience using Linux, regardless of whether you are a curious beginner or an experienced Linux devotee. This is true whether you are using Linux for the first time or are an experienced user.